What is polymorphism?
Polymorphism is a core concept in object-oriented programming. The word comes from Greek, meaning many forms. In coding, it means that a single function, method, or operator can work with objects of different types. This allows you to write code that can adapt to various data and behaviors, making your programs more versatile and easier to maintain.
How polymorphism works.
Polymorphism usually appears in two forms, compile time and runtime. The most common example is through inheritance. You define a general interface or base class and then create specialized subclasses. When you call a method on a base type, each subclass can provide its own unique behavior, allowing the same function call to do different things depending on the object.
Benefits of using polymorphism.
Polymorphism keeps your code flexible and scalable. You can add new types or behaviors without changing existing code. This makes it easier to fix bugs, extend features, and maintain large projects. Instead of writing duplicate logic for every type, you handle them all through a common interface, saving time and reducing errors.
Real-world example.
Imagine a program for managing shapes. You create a base class called shape and subclasses like circle and square. Each subclass has its own way to calculate area. By using polymorphism, you can call the area method on any shape, and the correct calculation happens automatically. This makes your code cleaner and easier to expand.
Why polymorphism matters.
Polymorphism is the secret power behind flexible, reusable, and maintainable code in object-oriented design. It lets you write generic code that still respects the unique behaviors of different objects. Mastering polymorphism opens the door to better software architecture and more powerful programs.